Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I got the October Catlady Box. This is a very special box, y'all, because this is the Black Cat Box. It is the most coveted box of the year. This one, and I think Christmas also. And Smudge just jumped down. But today is Friday the 13th, and what a perfect day to show this box. You know, I do want to say, come to my live tonight if you're around. It's 8 p.m. Eastern time. If you're not sure what time that is, by you, ask me, and I will tell you. Ask me in the comments. But I just want you all to know, I know that you all know this. My subscribers know this. If anybody else is watching this, there is nothing wrong with a black cat. Black cats are beautiful, and they're just the same as any other cat. And they're loving and kind. And yes, sometimes cats get a little rambunctious and, you know, might scratch you or something, but you know, it's usually for a reason. So don't let a black cat scare you. It's nothing to be scared of. Okay, let me show you this box. This box is very heavy, and it's sealed right here, but I cut that. And Camille is right here. So let's open it up. I'll give you a sneak peek. Ooh, mysterious. So I do want to show you also that this is the t-shirt from last October. I love this t-shirt. It says Black Cat Fan Club. It's a super cool shirt, and it's purple. It's a dark purple. I don't know if you can tell that. It may look black on the screen, but it is dark purple. I love it. And this is our card. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? Look at that. Here's the nose of the cat. There's always an artist rendering. There's always a postcard in here that'll tell on one side what's in the box, and then it also has a beautiful picture that you can frame. These are always so beautiful. And then it'll tell us about the artist in here as well. And the Catlady Box starts at $38.99 a month. Depends on what you get. There's the Catlady Box, and then there's the Crazy Catlady Box, which is what the Catlady Box sends me as a gift. So thank you so much, Catlady Box. I can't tell you how happy this makes me. I'm telling that to the Catlady Box, and I'm telling that to my subscribers. This box makes me so happy. It makes my family so happy. And this was the very first box that was ever given to me as PR. So I cannot thank Catlady enough for trusting me to show you all this beautiful box each month. It really just, I love it. We love it. We love it. So the featured Catlady artist, all right, that's the way you hold it. Get the glare off of it. Is Margarita. It's not spelled just like Margarita. It's Margarayta. Yermoleva. I'm sure I said that wrong. But works full-time as an artist out of Howell, Michigan, and was professionally trained in Odessa, Ukraine in the 1980s. She's a master at utilizing oils, acrylics, as well as watercolors, specializing in seasonal, Halloween, animals, architecture, and landscape, as well as the surreal and historic. Her art can be found on eBay, Etsy, and Amazon stores by using the keyword RYTA or Google RYTA art. And if you have any questions about that, I'll be happy to tell you if you need me to repeat that. Goodbye, Camille. She's biting me. So down. Well, I did not mean to drop her, y'all. Please don't think I abuse her. She's just a wiggle worm. That's what she does. Okay. So here she's right back. I'm gonna have to come on. All right, she might be all right. There's all kinds of reasons she could be getting into this box, except she's biting me. Now come on, Camille, behave. There's toys in here. Oh, Camille. All right, let's look at the toys. We'll look at the toys, but you can't have them until I take off the tags. Look at how fabulous this is, y'all. All right, loves. She's sitting right here. Rotten Banana. This is perfect because it's Rotten Camille. Rotten Camille. That's her nickname, is Rotten. Okay. Rotten Banana Catnip. I love that. Rotten Banana Catnip toy. She's probably smelling the catnip because they do like catnip. So this is really cool. It's corduroy, and then it has a face. First, I thought it was a moon for Halloween, but it is a Rotten Banana, and that's what it looks like. I love that. So that's valued at $4.99. It says a banana past its prime for snacking, but perfectly ripe for playtime. Okay, all right, Smudge. Blue. Now we've got blue coming up, and I'm getting itchy from all the fur flying. Okay, the next, oh, this is cool. We got a wonderful cat like this. Maybe it was last October. It is a pure Royal Highness This says, the other one is, has a different outfit on, if you will. This one has, you know, it's a queen or a king. Not sure. Let's see what it says. Let's see what it says. Pure Royal Highness catnip toy. Dressed to impress this Meow-Halloween, our black kitty is royally ready. Value of $6.99. I love that. The other one they did play with, and I've tried to put it on my bookshelf because I don't want them to mess it up, but they like it, so they play with it. So I'll let them play with it. But look how cute. It's got a tail, and it's got that cute little cape. What do you call that? If you're a king or a queen. So it could be either. Look at the pretty eyes. All right, Camille. Oh my goodness gracious, y'all. But that's part of this box is them. So, but Camille's just being boisterous. Okay, next up, I see a big box. Let's see what it, all right, Camille, may I show this? This is Black Cat Mug. Dark, dreamy, and the perfect haunted meowshin vibes for your morning brew. Valued $19.99. Let's take a peek and see what it looks like. I love mugs. I love big mugs. All right, Camille, be a good girl. Please be a good girl. Ooh. It's very nicely boxed. Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah, you can you see the print? Now, of course, the ring light's in the way, but there's a print on here. I think I do this every time can you see that print? Isn't that beautiful? And then it has the ears, but not where you need to drink, and it's nice and big. So the inside is a matte finish glaze, and then the outside is a shiny glaze with this beautiful pattern on it. Oh, I love that. I love that. So valued at $19.99. Now they do sell things in their store. They have a great store, and they have a lot of sales in the store. They have a lot of Sunday sales. Not every Sunday, but certain times of the year they have sales where they'll have one thing, you know, knocked down really low. And they have their t-shirts are wonderful, y'all. Really, really, really good quality t-shirts. Well, look at this. I wear this a lot. And this is from last year, and it looks brand new. So, and what I do with my t-shirts from them is I wash them, and I put them in the dryer for 5 or 10 minutes just to get some of the wrinkles out, and then I hang them up to dry. All right, Camille, she's got that toy, but I can't let her leave without the tags. All right, there are a couple more things in here. This is, let me show you that. It says, psst, 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 psst. Here's the next box theme, Cats in the Kitchen, featuring even more black cats. Well, that's so cute that they gave us a card about that. And there is a t-shirt in here, and then there's something else. So let's see. Oh, this is why it's so heavy. Whatever this is, it's heavy. These are the Black Cat bookends. Okay, let me unwrap them if my lovely will let me. Oh, these are cool. I love them. Okay, these are metal. Look how cute are these. Can y'all see the design to it? Let me see if I've got something white. There we go. So these are bookends. So you put your books up. Now, I've got some shelving. So what I would probably do is put some books and then use one and then use another on a different shelf. Or if you don't have shelving, or if you just have a place where you can put some books, you can put them together, you know, and put your books in there. So those are so cute. Camille likes them too. And they're metal, so they're very heavy and sturdy, so they're not going to fall over, even if the cat gets on them, you know, because that's the thing about having shelves, is cats like to knock things over. But these are nice and sturdy, so I think they'll be just fine, unless you have crazy Camille. All right, and the last thing in the box. All right, that is valued at $19.99. And then the last thing is the t-shirt. Okay, Camille, I wish she'd stop biting. She's in the terrible chews, the terrible biting stage. And I hope that goes away because I don't know if I can take it. Oh, this is cool. Now, I get big t-shirts because I don't like things tight around my middle. So I do like big t-shirts. So some of them I wear as a pajama, but mostly I wear them as t-shirts because I just love them. This is a V-neck, which I do like the V-necks. And let's see what the design is because I don't know. Oh, how cute is that? All right, I don't know if you can tell on camera because to me it's looking gray, but this is green. Okay, I think you can see that now. The back maybe You can see, here's the back. It's a, you know, it's a regular t-shirt that is a V-neck. And their quality is 100% cotton, I do believe. I shouldn't say that without looking, but I'm pretty sure it's 60% cotton, 35% polyester, and 5% spandex. I'm telling you, they feel like real cotton to me. I mean, like 100% cotton. So I guess it's got a little bit of a give to it, and it's super cute. I love it. Look at that cute design. And like I said, it is green. It's funny, you can see it more, maybe without that black getting in the way, because it looks sort of like a gray, heather gray, but it's like a heather sage green, I would call it. Sage green. So I'll take pictures and put these things on Instagram if you'd like to see them. And I'll get some pictures of the cats playing with the toys if they will behave. I just saw this because I put this down. The book ends say Catlady Box, and they have these nice little rubber feet, so they're not going to scratch your furniture. So we have the book ends, $19.99 value. This fabulous mug, I love that. $19.99 value, really cool. And the cute. They always send the most cute cat toys. This crazy banana I thought was a moon. I love it. And the t-shirt, the beautiful t-shirt. I love it. Thank you so much, Catlady Box. We love this box. And y'all, count your blessings, and I'll have some additional here at the end. Bye-bye, y'all. Y'all, I got so carried away because of the cats. I forgot to tell you a few important things about Catlady Cares. Catlady donates every month to different rescues, and this month they donated to Bay Path Humane Society of Hopkinton, Maui Humane Society, Caswell Pet Lifeline, and 6 Kittens Rescue. It says because of you, we were able to donate to these rescues last month. So it tells us all that information on the beautiful card. So there you go. Hey, Smudge. You like that box? He loves the box. You say hey? Want to play? Want to play? Yeah. Where's your brothers? Smudge, come on, love. Hey, say hello to everybody. I don't know where your brothers are. Eating dinner. Come on, Camille, you want to play? Yeah. Camille, what you doing? What you got, Blue? You got the king or the queen? Camille's gonna get your tail. Smudge, you wanna play with Blue? You gonna sit? You gonna sit in there? You don't like that king? Isn't he cute? They love the box. You know, it's just cats love boxes, and we love our Catlady Box. Camille. Oopsie, I dropped it. Thank you, Catlady Box. Like those toys? Look how cute they are. They're just adorable.